What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about bionano genomics, ticker symbol BNGO, and how they received a 900% increase in price target. That is absolutely insane. The company and institution that actually increased this price target was Oppenheimer, and they increased the price target by 900% compared to what their previous price target was for bionano. So we're going to go over exactly why this analyst massively upgraded bionano genomics and compare it to what we think bionano genomics can do in the near future. So before we get into all of that information, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want to be notified every single time I post a new video, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn about a couple of new ones, and see exactly which options I am trading and which strategies I am using to trade them. So if we come over to this article, we can see that Oppenheimer analyst Kevin DeGeeter believes technical developments could lead to reduced cost of goods sold per genome, which in turn could help the next-gen platform gain deeper market penetration. Since the 2017 launch of Saphyr, that's Bionano Genomics' flagship product, there has been steady improvement in both laser optics and photon capture components from OEMs, the five-star analyst said. So Bionano Genomics is launching an aggressive initiative to combine these improved components with new informatics workflow to support a stepwise increase in throughput from 5,000 genomes per year to 68,000 and chip costs from 500 to 100 per genome. We've actually seen Bionano Genomics come out and say exactly how they were able to reduce some of their costs, mainly through Microsoft Azure. Basically, they're trying to decrease the compute time and the compute cost when Saphyr spits out its data. So if we keep going, while cytogenetics remains the bull case main driver, the optical imaging platform's addressable market could expand via newly planned studies in other verticals, including prenatal, pediatrics, hematology, and solid tumors. This analyst also mentioned all of the most recent capital raises, and they were all dilutive that Bionano Genomics has done. We're going to get into this dilution a little bit later in this video, but DeGeeter also believes the recent equity raises, which totaled more than $380 million, give the company balance sheet flexibility. Therefore, the analyst is more focused on the company's progress than near-term revenue prospects. The strengthened balance sheet allows Bionano to aggressively invest in both commercial infrastructure expansion and next-generation optical imaging technologies. That's exactly kind of what we saw in the use of proceeds section of all of Bionano Genomics' most recent capital raises. So this analyst also thinks that Bionano Genomics can deliver revenue of $353.1 million by 2026, and the overall market for these types of goods could reach more than $1.5 billion. So essentially what he did is he reiterated their buy rating on Bionano shares and boost the price target up from $1.50 all the way to the street high of $15. At the current time that I'm recording this video, Bionano Genomics is trading at $11.65, giving Bionano Genomics a lot of upside potential, about 25 or 30% to the upside to meet this analyst's expectations. Now, if we take a look at the other price target raise that we saw a couple weeks ago for Bionano Genomics, that was the previous street high. This was given by Maxim, and in a report released yesterday, which was February 2nd, Jason McCarthy from Maxim Group assigned a buy rating to Bionano Genomics with a price target of $14. The company's shares closed last Wednesday at $11.50. Basically, the current consensus on Bionano Genomics is a strong buy with an average price target of $7.56. We are going to see that be increased now that we have Oppenheimer actually coming out and giving Bionano Genomics a $15 price target. So that's really good news in general for Bionano Genomics, but we do have a pretty massive event that I have covered in one of my previous videos for Bionano Genomics, but we're going to briefly touch upon this event in this video as well so that everybody who missed it can stay up to date on everything that they can expect for Bionano Genomics coming in the near future. So if we come over here, Bionano Genomics' earnings date is projected to be on March 9th. Now, this is not exact. Bionano Genomics still has to come out and tell us exactly when their earnings date is going to be, but March 9th is a pretty good indication of about when their earnings are going to be. I think we could see it be either a week after or a week before March 9th. So that is something that you need to keep a lookout for on your calendar, and make sure you are aware that Bionano Genomics will be releasing their earnings in the near future. Earnings is always really big, especially for companies like Bionano Genomics. I think what the most important part of their earnings announcement is going to be is their guidance. They're going to talk about all of the different saphyr studies that they've done and where they think saphyr is going to go in the future. Now, since Bionano Genomics has done so many share offerings, their outstanding shares are actually increasing. So the projected earnings per share will be slightly lower, in my opinion, this time around. So the earnings projections and the actual numbers that come out may be a little bit wonky, and we're going to have to kind of interpret them in a different way. And something that's been on a lot of people's minds is, when is ARK Invest going to put money into Bionano Genomics? I think it makes sense for them to put some capital behind this company because it does fit their ideas on genomics. We even got Bionano Genomics mentioned in ARK's Big Ideas report for 2021. Now, I've mentioned this a lot before, but let's take a look again. So Bionano Genomics mentioned right here in ARK's Big Ideas report. This is big news. If ARK invests any money into Bionano Genomics, we're going to see the share price absolutely rocket from what I call the ARK effect. When ARK Invest puts money behind a company, it's very similar to Citron coming out and saying, we have a short on this company, the stock falls. If ARK Invest and comes out and says that we have invested money into this company, the share price is going to go up a lot. We saw this with Palantir. It happened one time when ARK Invest bought about 500,000 shares throughout one day, and once that news came out after hours, Palantir shares rocketed about 6% in the after hours trading period. So this is something we need to keep a lookout for in the future, and hopefully ARK Invest does put some money behind Bionano Genomics soon, but it is all speculation, so there is nothing confirmed yet, but I do think it is going to happen. So overall, I think Bionano Genomics is in a great spot for 2021. We did see a massive run-up in share price throughout the end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021, but I don't think Bionano Genomics is done running up anytime soon. So I think we could see Bionano Genomics hit the $20 price point sometime within 2021 and absolutely throughout 2022. If they can come out and keep putting out amazing saphyr results on just how powerful it is, and emphasize that there is nothing else like it on the market, we're going to see Bionano Genomics skyrocket even further. Now, the next thing that we really need to see is getting the saphyr into every single clinician and researcher's hands that could find it effective and useful for their practice. If Bionano Genomics is able to do this throughout 2021, we're going to see some massive gains. That's also something we need to look out for in Bionano Genomics guidance when they report their earnings in March. So that's going to be all of the information that I have for you on Bionano Genomics today. If you guys enjoyed learning about Bionano Genomics, please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post a new video, and you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn about a couple of new ones, and see exactly which options I am trading and which strategies I am using to trade them. So I hope you guys are having a very profitable day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.